Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to install Ubuntu application on our Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started. So I'm going to navigate to the Start menu and go to the Microsoft Store. And here I'm going to search for Ubuntu application, Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So let's select that. And we are going to install this on our Windows 10 operating system. Click on Get. So we can read through what exactly is this. Ubuntu LTS on Windows allows you to use Ubuntu terminal and run Ubuntu command line utilities including bash, SSH, git, apt and many more. So to launch this we need to use Ubuntu 2004 here. It's nothing but 20.04 on the command prompt. I'll show you that as well. We can open it from here. It will ask you for the press any key. So I'm going to press that. So it got installed successfully. So let's try to open that. As you can see, Windows Subsystem for Linux optional component is not enabled. Please enable it. So let's try to enable that. So how can we do that? For that, we need to go to turn Windows features on or off. Open this and try to look for Windows that will be in like W. So in here, Windows Subsystem for Linux. If I enable this, I should be able to open that. So let me close this real quick and click on OK. Windows is asking me to restart this. I did a restart of my Windows 10 operating system. Now try to open Ubuntu application. From start menu. So this is trying to install. Previously we were seeing some other error. Now we don't see that error. That means it's trying to install this. So this will take some time. So I'm going to fast forward this video. So now it is asking me to create a default Unix user account. So we can create any account. It's up to your wish. You can create a username and password to log in and start working on your Ubuntu. So I'm going to give a username here, test. Then I'll try to create a password. Once you give the password, you can press enter and retype the same password. We have successfully, we can see we are in Ubuntu terminal now. So I can run some commands here, sudo apt update, and try to give the password. So it's trying to update the operating system. So from here we can create or run Linux commands or Ubuntu commands. If you want to use Linux commands, you can use the other way. It got updated successfully. So let's see. I would like to run top command here. So I can see some information. So let's close this and clear the screen. ls to list some commands. Let's see the directory where we are in the present working directory. So I can create a directory as well, and I can view that directory. So this is how you can start using Ubuntu on Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for watching this video.